Hello everyone. During the side, there's always mutton at home. My grandmother's pickle was my favorite to take to hostel after puja. Let's make it today. We are using fresh Khasi mutton, 1 kg with bones. I've cut it into the size perfect for the pickle. I'm adding a spoon of salt and a couple of spoons of vinegar. Mix it well and let it rest in water for about 15 minutes and rinse out thrice. Meanwhile, let's prepare our spices. I've taken 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of saunf, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, about 7 dry red chilies, and 2 teaspoons of black peppercorn. Heat them slightly, don't let them burn. Once they are cool, completely grind them coarsely. The aroma is just amazing. Time to prepare the ginger and garlic. I've used a 2-inch piece of ginger cut into cubes and roughly 30 peeled garlic cloves. Heat 1 cup of mustard oil. When it starts smoking, turn it off the heat and let it cool for a bit. Now add 2 bay leaves, chopped ginger garlic, 3 sticks of cinnamon, 2 black cardamoms, 7 dry red chilies. Fry on a slow heat until they turn golden and the aroma fills the room. I've rinsed the meat 3 times. Now add the mutton and fry it slowly in these fragrant spices. No need to add anything now, just let the mutton cook in its own juices. After 45 minutes, the fat starts rendering and the meat begins to brown and caramelize beautifully. Now add the ground spices, salt, turmeric, and red chili powder for a beautiful color. Pour in 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and mix everything well. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Let it cool for 4 to 5 hours. Use a clean dry bottle and a dry spoon, avoiding any water. Store this way. It will last about 5 days at room temperature or up to a month in the freezer. You can eat it now, but it tastes even better after 2 days. Thank you for watching.